Hello there, young learners. Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers, your go-to place for fun and educational content. Today, we are diving into the amazing world of science to discover the importance of a balanced diet. But first, let's talk about food. Do you like to play sports? Dance? Run around? Of course, you do. You're a growing kid. And to grow up big and strong, you need to eat a balanced diet. Food gives us energy, just like fuel makes a car go vroom. But not all foods are the same. Some foods are like superheroes, while others are like villains. Imagine your body is like a superhero, ready to take on any adventure. To keep it strong, we need a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one that gives you all the nutrients you need to stay healthy and grow strong. It includes foods from all 5 food groups: fruits and vegetables, grains, protein, dairy, healthy fats. It's like inviting all the superheroes to your dinner table. These foods are packed with important nutrients that help our bodies grow and stay healthy. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. They can help you fight off infection, boost your energy levels, and keep your skin looking healthy. Vitamins are like tiny helpers that keep our bodies working properly. Minerals are like the body's construction workers, building strong bones and teeth. Grains are a good source of carbohydrates, which give your body energy. They also contain fiber, which helps keep your digestive system healthy. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. It also helps your body produce hormones and enzymes. Good sources of protein include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. They are like the bricks for our muscles. Dairy products are a good source of calcium and vitamin D, which are important for strong bones and teeth. They also contain other essential nutrients, such as protein and potassium. Healthy fats are important for brain development, hormone production, and cell function. Good sources of healthy fats include nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil. By eating a little from each food group, we become real-life superheroes. A balanced diet gives our bodies the superpowers they need to stay fit, fight off germs, and grow big and strong. Now, here's something cool. Food gives us energy. Think of it as fuel for our bodies. When we eat, our energy bar fills up, and we are ready to run, jump, and play. So, remember to eat a mix of foods to keep that energy bar high. When you eat a balanced diet, you have the energy you need to play hard, learn new things, and grow up big and strong. But beware of the villains. Junk food, like candy and chips, might taste yummy, but they are not good for our superhero bodies. They can make us feel tired and weak. Junk food is food that is high in calories, unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt, but low in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It is often processed and packaged, and may contain artificial ingredients and preservatives. Make sure to eat plenty of foods from all 5 food groups every day. It's the best way to fuel your body and mind for a healthy and happy life. Here are some tips for avoiding junk food. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. This will help you avoid making unhealthy choices when you are hungry. Cook more meals at home. This gives you control over the ingredients in your food. Avoid eating out too often. Restaurant food is often high in calories, unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt. When you do eat out, choose healthy options. For example, order a grilled chicken breast instead of a fried burger. Read food labels carefully. This will help you identify junk food and make healthier choices. It is also important to remember that it is okay to indulge in junk food occasionally. However, it is important to do so in moderation. So, there you have it, young learners. The importance of a balanced diet is like having a team of superheroes inside you, ready for action. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more amazing things with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers. Until next time, stay super and keep learning.